Hello, all. I am Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, that this series is all about the prominent achievers of the country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main purpose of the series is basically to make all of you know about the prominent achievers and their experiences so as to get some knowledge out of it. So today we have with us Mr. Arjun Deshpande, who is the founder and CEO of Generic Aadhaar.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
A very warm welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you very much, Indian, for having me here.
Thank you. So, before we actually proceed in the series, I would like you to tell us something about you and your organization.
So, I'm Arjun Deshpande. I have started Generic Aadhaar 2 years back to reach out every Indian in every cities of India to provide affordable and quality medicines. When I was 16 years of age, I started this venture because there was one of the big problem in the market that people were not able to afford the medicines due to the unnecessary high price in the market. So I thought, how can I reach out the end customer to provide the affordable medicines? The concept the reach out to me when I used to travel to various countries outside India. I found out that the medicines in majority of the countries are very affordable and accessible to every individual. So as a young kid, I thought that India is one of the pharmaceutical manufacturing hub for entire world. So why our Indian people are only not getting the benefit of the same? So I thought that what can I do to solve this problem? So at that point of time, I saw the single standalone pharmacy stores who are running the business from last 15 to 20 years are on very bad stage due to nowadays big medical malls are coming, online pharmacies are active. So the small standalone pharmacies are not able to do business, or the business have really slowed down. So I thought we can support them, and we can try to support them in the sales and the profit margin in the business. And at the same point of time, I can reach out every individual because the standalone pharmacies are available across India. So at Generic Aadhaar, the main intention what we are currently doing to support the small retailers across India, we are tying up with them, we are aggregating them with the brand of Generic Aadhaar, and at the same point of time, we are giving the medicines from WHO GMP facilities them directly. So this is the ecosystem what I have created in Generic Aadhaar.
Great work you all are doing. So, Arjun, we would like to know that how this idea of starting up with this business initiated in your mind.
So as a young kid, when I saw the one of the biggest problem in the industry, I thought I should catch hold on that, and I should try to solve the problem. Because as per one of the TV interviews of mine, they have discovered that today also 60% of the people in India are not able to get the medicines due to the unnecessary high price of the product. So
Correct.
this is the real problem in Indian market that I am trying to solve, and I have make a promise to myself that in next 2 to 3 years I will bring this percentage to zero and try to reach out every 2 tier cities or 3 tier cities in India. Because I am not only giving the service in the urban cities, but I am also trying to reach out the last mile of the country. So that is the real thing what we are going out, and we are doing that.
Okay, so it's like Arjun. Basically, every individual or every organization faces their own, kind of challenges in their journey. So, what kind of challenges you have faced in your journey, and also how you have overcome those challenges?
Yeah, so the main challenge in front of us is to make aware about generic medicines are really effective and same as branded generics, because the main challenge is to aware the individual. What I'm creating awareness from various platforms last 2 years to create the awareness to the end customer, because there are many people who are not clear with the concept of generic and branded, due to some companies are marketing generic product as branded, so it increases the basic cost of the product, and eventually that is put on the customer shoulder. So this is all the marketing gimmick from some manufacturing or some pharmaceutical companies. So I'm trying to stop that, and that is one of the challenge we can say, that we are really happy to say that challenge we have come out and we have solved that, to make aware about the end about the generic product to the end customer. Now recently Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister of India, have come up and say that generic products are really effective and are same as branded generics, so people should come and buy that. So I really I'm thankful to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who is thinking for every individual of our country, because generic products are really very affordable, and as pharmaceutical, India is one of the pharmaceutical hub for the entire world. So this is one of the thing I'm trying to solve, and I'm coming up with the I'm facing the challenges, and I'm coming up further from that.
Okay, that's really great. Talking about the future goals, as in, what are your plans for the future of this generic Aadhaar organization?
Yeah. So by December 2020, Generic Aadhaar will be available in 100 plus cities. We are planning to have minimum 100 franchisees in each city. So this is our things what we are coming up with, and our target for next 2 years is around 300 cities. Generic Aadhaar will be present. Our focus is not only Mumbai, Delhi, or the urban cities. I personally feel the real India starts 40 kilometer from Mumbai, 40 kilometer from Delhi. So that is the real need, where we have to go and solve the problem of the people in the villages and the three tier cities. So Generic Aadhaar is also focusing on this three tier cities. So we will be definitely present in a majority of the cities in next 2 years time.
Okay. Okay. So, tell us a bit about your organization's products and services, and also if you could, give us some detail or about reaching you people for those services.
So Generic Aadhaar is giving the franchises across India. So as Arjun Deshpande, I am not only creating jobs, but I am also creating entrepreneurs, because it's time to become Atmanirbhar in this new era of pharma industry with Generic Aadhaar. When we say I'm creating entrepreneurs, it means whenever we give the franchises to the retail outlets, minimum to minimum, 3 employments are generated via that. So across India, we are supporting the small businessmen, or we can say who want to start their own business, by giving out our brand support in their local cities. So that is the thing what we are built on. And about the product, about the medicines, are all accessible via our franchise outlets to the end customers. So we are making ensure that majority of the range of the products of in generic division, we are fulfilling that, and we are giving to the end customer all the, like diabetic, cardiac, blood pressure, hypertension, gastro, then oncology. In future, we are also coming up with the oncology. The cancer patients really need that product at very affordable price. So we are also working on that type of products. So in next 3 to 4 months, we'll be launching that products as well.
So, as this Atmanirbhar Bharat thing came out, so somewhere in this pandemic period, everyone is suffering somewhere somehow. So,
Correct.
and a lot of emphasis has been given on this Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan too. How is your organization is contributing towards this Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan?
So at Generic Aadhaar, as I said, that Generic Aadhaar, as Arjun Deshpande, my wish that I should not only create jobs but also entrepreneurs. So at Generic Aadhaar, we are focusing to for our youth as well. They should be job creators, not job seekers. So because this is a time that Indian youth should come in front and do innovative things for our country, that will definitely support our Indian economy to become Atmanirbhar across world. So that one of my dream and my wish, that our youth should do something unique in their own life that can definitely help our country by some way or the other. So that is one of the thing I personally feel, and in my many interviews I've conveyed my message to our Indian youth, and Indian youth have really shown their love and support in my venture. Definitely they love me so much that whenever any kid who is younger than me definitely have text me or something on the social media to take the advice, I love to advise them, I love to motivate them, because I feel if they come in front and do something, that will help our country to grow further.
Correct. And now there is this one thing I would love to ask you about. So, what are your feelings about winning this Indian Achievers Award?
So definitely that is one of the greatest things that I will what things I was doing from the past for the betterment of every Indian. I think that this is one of the key for that, and what I've got the award for. So that is really I thank you Indian Achiever Forum for the same.
Nowadays, a lot of people are, getting socially involved in many ways. So, we would like you to tell us something about your social contribution.
So, like 2 months back, I have contributed 3 months salary to PM Care for the COVID-19. I am also really very active to deliver or to give PP kits or the masses to the frontline workers. And as we all know, in the COVID-19 time, the medical shop owners, like our franchises, also have really worked hard and come up as a frontline workers to support the end customers. So as a Arjun Deshpande, I contribute in some way or the other, because I have learned to be social from my business god, as I say, Mr. Ratan Tata sir, who he advised me really very much in my venture as well. So definitely I've learned many things to be social, to help Indian people, and to help the people who really want us. So I've learned many things from Mr. Ratan Tata sir, and I'm on that way to support the Indian people as well.
Okay, that's really great, really great. Okay, so last but not the least, I would like you to give some advice to the people out there, who want to, get into this entrepreneurship wala thing someday.
Yeah, definitely. So I feel that every person who has some idea, they should immediately catch hold on that, or immediately should work on that, because there are many people who have the idea in the morning and in evening, so they are back to that work. So I feel that this traditional or something like that, that should change. And if we have some good idea, some innovative idea that we feel that can be one of the unique product or one of the unique idea in the world, so we can immediately start working on it and we have to launch it. That will be really one of the biggest thing or the turning point of your life, because in our mind one should be clear that we have to create jobs, we should be not job seekers. So that is one of the thing I personally feel, and I always give advice to the young people out over here. So we should always try to build something innovative or unique in the industry, whichever industry that might be. So there are many opportunities in various industries that youth can come and tackle off. So that is one of the thing I should advise.
Okay, so thank you so much, Mr. Arjun. It was lovely talking to you, and I wish you all the very good luck for all your future projects. And thank you so very much for being here with us today.
Thank you, Indian Insurance Forum, for having me here. Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you.